Did you know a mystery virus once infected the computers controlling US military drones mid-combat, and nobody could stop it from coming back? It was 2011. American Predator and Reaper drones were flying live missions over Afghanistan. Real strikes, real targets. And somewhere inside the ground control stations, a keylogger had taken root. A keylogger is simple but terrifying. It silently records every single key a user types, passwords, commands, everything. The Air Force wiped the machines. The virus came back within days. They wiped them again. It came back again. The military went public and said it posed no threat to operations. But think about what was actually happening. Someone, or something, was potentially recording the keystrokes of drone pilots running live weapons in an active war zone. Nobody ever confirmed who planted it. Nobody confirmed what data left those computers. The origin stayed a mystery. And that is the part that should keep you up at night. Not just that it happened, but that we still do not know why.